if this is a Sunshine project, like um, main purpose of this project is like the application is like it shows the weather conditions, like what is the moderate rain or how it will be, and you can see here our date and here 18th, and you can see the date of the year Thursday. Today is a Thursday, and what is the temperature, and what is the how is the temperature this mode and rain. And yeah, before going to the application, first we need to main activity.xml. Here this XML file is mainly used for the layout purposes, like how the application will be, what will be the layout of the application. You can see here all the details, and I can show this is the layout of this application, and this is in permission from the internet, like for connecting internet and connecting a database. And icon is like this is a IC launcher where we use these icons. You can see here these all are okay. I need to run this project. It will take some time, like running the project. Like here you can see the launcher. This is the icon. Here I used, and first activity. What is this activity? Is like after getting the main activity, what should be the theme? What should on the main thing we need to do? And here we use just launcher, and different activities we have used. For one activity may be the main part, and the second activity may be the one activity may be the first thing, and the second activity may be the it was taking time to load. Yeah, this is one activity and this is another activity. We can say that in here we use different activities, like and settings activity we can use, like here we can go to settings. This is one activity. Everything will be here. You can see here for this settings activity the files are like you can see here setting fragment, setting activity. So these are used. These are the different activities we used. And service, what is the main purpose of service? Is like we are taking this from Firebase job service, like Sunshine database where the weather data is stored. We are taking from that, so that the data is taken from the Firebase database. Like here, this is these comments. As these comments, we did this project, a daily wise project, like based on the to-do list. Based on to-do list, we did this project. So we can see a lot of comments what here the app is going on. So directly we go to the main activity on which the first page will be load. Here show loading is that whether when is it visible or not. Like you can see here, it make it visible. Set visibility, view should be visible, and here on create options menu, like it is used the menu inflator to get handle. For that it is used, and here you can see here item.get item ID. This ID will be, you will get r.id auction.settings we get from the XML main activity. Here Android manifest.xml you will get there from there, and this is a main activity. As the main activity is smaller, like we use different functions here. So the weather provider, whether everything will be on the other files. So we directly first we go to the these files, how we are getting a data, how database we are getting. Sunshine preferences, like Sunshine is a app. So what are the main preferences we used for this? Here we can go to here, like last notification time is like time for the notification. and uh, it here you can see coming to here, like what context you use to shared preferences. Like the main purpose of shared preferences is like it will use default name. Like for example, think that con.example of something underscore preferences. In that way, these are the important in the Android to build the project. And we have another the same time, like get default shared preferences, we have another method, get shared preferences, which requires a name, but here we can directly uh, use with a default name. The main purpose of this is like we can directly use with the default name. And uh, the shared preferences you can get here, and we can edit that. So we will just we write a method for that, and we'll just send a notification key and time of notification, and we just run the apply method for that. And whether the next method will be the weather contract. um, the main purpose of this is like it's a weather database, like how the data will be organized. This will be used, and here the enter is the content provider, and this is the content authority we are taking from a this is just what we can say while we are creating an applet. Like I said you that get preferences, like we can say, we can conclude in that way. And URI, base content URI, the main purpose is that like is you I just these URI is a like a uniform resource identifier. It is a like it is a string character, like we are in this we it's a URI class, like it's a in Android we had a URI.parse to take the URI. Like a URI can be identified as a resource either by location also, or a name, or for both. And these such identifications enables the interaction with the representations of the source over a network, like we have and the starting I said for the connection of internet, so network. Typically the World Wide Web, like these data can be taken, like how can we say that there is a weather app or weather conditions data, from that we can take that. So we are using the main purpose of this is that. And this is all the stuff we are using, like this is the name we are giving, what is the what type with path, whether is weather type, and we are this is the main thing is like date and weather ID, like a date in the sense like on from the database we are taking that, or from the app URI we are taking on that day what is the weather, and we are showing in our application, like we have different what is the pressure on the what is the humidity. You can see here, and you have a moderate rain, how can we this be cleared, so in that way. And build weather URI with the date. This is a method like based on the date what we get here, date based on we send to this method, and this method will give that URI on the date with the date, URI with the date, weather with the date. And this is a get SQL select for today's onwards is a method we are using, like from current time it should the SQL should be SQL like getting a data should be start. So that's we are using this method. And coming to the weather DB helper, like it manages the database for weather data. How weather data in the sense like here we can see Yeah, here we can see what this is a weather data, 17 degrees, 16 degrees, everything. And what database name we are taking from which database is like weather.db DB database, and database version is 3. Like we have a different versions in that. So here whether DAB helper is context in the sense like this simply we can say that whatever the data we are giving, it will be in the object, it will be in the object. So in return we just call that context, database name and database version. And we create onCreate is a method which creates a table. We can create a table that will catch our weather data. Like SQLite database is a class name, we can see that, and here SQLite database is a name. And like we give the for a method int some variable name. In that way it is also a data type. We can say that name, class name, we can say that, and everything we will append and we will just create a weather table here, like here, weather entry underscore id, which is a primary key, and everything we will create and we will store in that. We will store in the database like column date on conflict replace, not null in the sense like there should be a something data should be in that field or in that column, and our primary key auto increment in the sense like weather 1, weather 2, weather 3, like you can see here, these are 1, these are 2, these are 3, these are 4, these are 5, in that way. So this will be helpful to create the database. And next to weather provider, like number of values that were inserted in this can be known. I can show you like here, like here we take a variables called code weather and code weather with the date 100. These main purpose of this something is like using a regular expressions and URI matcher. URI matcher is by this is like it's a content provider, and it should be the match with the what URI we get. And here matcher add URI in the sense like we'll just give the path, authority, and the path name, what path we are taking, and code weather like 101 or 100 we have that in that way. And we just return matcher in the sense like we can say that if it is true, it will, if it matches, then it will return true or it will return something. It's an object, we can say that it's an object like return matcher in the sense if this is or okay, it functions correct, then it will return with the URL. And these are the something about these are something related to the database where we can get the weather from the database, like what are the transaction, like db.transact get transaction set transaction successful in the sense like while connecting db after getting the database, for getting a data we need to write, and while inserting a row, if rows inserted greater than 0, then it should notify what URI is that, and for bulk insert like URI and value. So that method is mainly for inserting the data in all the fields. And next coming to the after main activity we have a settings activity. Settings activity in the sense like we have changed some settings right in the applications, like you can see here settings, you can see here cancel location, we need to change the location actually, and what is the location, temperature units, weather notifications, these are some settings like we used it. And here you can see set display home hub as enabled in the sense like we need to get a supports action bar. In the sense, I can yeah, come to this like set display home as enabled. It is true. In the sense, like it specifies whether the home button should be shown or not. Like you can see here in this app, if it falls, like, and you cannot see the home button in this, like in that way. The main purpose of this is like whether to show the home button and navigate and up navigation to the next step in that way. And what gets support action bar in the sense like it is a thing. What can we say? Mm, it was recommended to extend the activity class from the action bar activity. That's it. And how can like the main purpose we are using is to enable the activity like action enable sorry activity. I said action bar, enable the action bar. You can see here this is a bar headers, like we can say they're simply headers. So this can be, this is a part. And next on options item selected for the menu item, in the sense what are the items should be present on the page, it shows that. And like settings fragment, in the sense which these all also belongs to the settings, like what are the main preferences you need to change. Like I already said that on shared preferences, in the sense like based on the preference, like I said give an example com dot solution underscore preferences, like in that way. And a detail activity, like here we can see all the methods and all that we are used here, like column date, column max temp, weather dot entry. Like these columns are inserted in the displaying the detail activity. What is weather date, temperature, you can see here what is the temperature, and humidity, what will be that, and weather ID, what will be the IDs. So everything here what they just here just we are declaring all the variables and we are sending to that. And what in detail loader, in the sense like this is a number we are giving to the fixed number, that not more than that we need to show that. And for private we are taking a private URI, like we get a URI from the another file. And activity detail binding, the main purpose this is a data binding util, in the sense like the binding activity is like automatically generated and takes the name from the layout, what we give the layout or a file, which is not a class. And here the get intent, get data, in the sense like we are getting a data from the database, like we created a table and we stored, from that we are getting. And if there is any problem with, if the MURI, in the sense like I said, here we can see some part like weather contract, yeah, at some part like we get a MURI weather. From there I just get here, I'll get the data from there. If it is null, we need to throw exception, we need to show an error, URI for detail activity can be null, or else we need to or else like if not, then the message will be loaded and data will be retrieved from the database. And here this is a menu inflator, in the sense like what are the display items we need to get, that is shown that. Here a single item, for a single item. And create share for forecast intent, this method is used for the purpose like what is the type of a text. First thing is what is the type of a text, and what is a forecast share hashtag, what should be, we need to set the text. Get intent, in the set we need starting the activity, in the small sentence we can say that we are starting the activity and we are giving that data, or we are just what type of data should be present, like what type of text should be present, so that this method is useful. And on create loader, based on the loader ID, just it will load the data, and just it will take all the values, and it will just cursor this is a thing like when you click, like you can see here, if you click this day it will show. So for that it will be use these methods. Like this is one thing. And forecast adapter, in the sense like what are the different handles we need to, like what are the clicks, what are the items. Click handler, in the sense like while you are clicking any item, it should work it should redirect to that other page. In that way we can say that. So this is the part of Project Sunshine. And here coming to that, it will, like we have a map location also in that feature, and we have a settings page. In that settings page we can change the location and temperature units, what type of units we want, like metric, imperial, we can change that. And weather notification, like whether if we want weather notification enable or weather notification disable. Like how can I say this, is like Google, in same thing like Google reminders, like if you have any info, if you want any information whether to notify or not, in that settings we got, and it will shows the present dates, what will be the, based on the location it will shows the data. And present date, like Thursday, today is the 18th, and from and like next day tomorrow it will show that Monday, Tuesday, something it like till, yeah, here you can show that this is the application, perfect application of Sunshine. Thank you.